Today I have something special, an idea of mine. So as you might know, this staircase right here was designed with hinges right there. So it's actually a drawbridge, and you can hoist the whole thing up. And the original design had it with a 2-to-1 pulley block system right there, right here, and you could pull it up. It was super heavy though, and I don't really like it. It put a lot of stress, and if you dropped it, the whole staircase would fall down, and it's someone was playing with it and dropped it and cracked a leg, and that's why we need supports now. But I was like, wait, elevators and ferry docks have counterweights. So if I had a counterweight that maybe could also be a lever arm, like if I hung a log from that fulcrum right there with maybe like a 2/3 of the log on that side, 1/3 on this side, and attach the tip of that log to the middle of this staircase, maybe I could move it up and down with just my hand, because the weight of the log would counter the weight of the staircase, and it would take much less force to pull it up and down. So we're gonna do that today. Probably gonna work. Definitely. So first, I need a 9-foot beam. Sir, you look to be 9 feet and a dead tree. Okay. Yeah, that feels kind of dangerous. Probably better. GG. Right. Actually going to 14. Cool. Here's the log, the lever arm, and just put this hinge on it right here for the fulcrum, so it doesn't just slide off. Hey. Alright, we got the ladder involved. Now we're hoisting her up. Full! Hell yeah, thank God I got one in. This is about as precarious as it looks for. I'm counterweighting, so this part's heavier, so the whole thing wants to flip back. But I'm keeping it held down. Little rope, so I have to hold the rope. But this also makes the whole thing want to slide forward as a hammer. Let's get those other 2 nails in. I've seen worse. With some ropes around here. This could work. All right, this is gonna be the connection device that hooks it to the stairs. So yeah, it's just holding it. All right, let's see if anything breaks when I pull on it. No chance of failure here. Not the very end, but this would be an okay test. Oh, she's pulling. Come on, girl. You get to hold this. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God, that's heavy. I was hanging off the rope back there. It looks a little crooked now. I think I'm gonna put counterweight on there. Oh yes, you are gonna be handy now. Already sawed it. Took a long time. Wonder if I could move it now. I don't know. How heavy are you? Oh yeah, should be good. This is the counterweight. It's probably 50 pounds. It's not enough to automatically pull it up if I was to not touch anything, but it should make it a lot easier pulling the lever down, raising that up. And I can always add more. It's just, let's see how this is. This notch should keep the rope from popping out. Alright, so for this, we did 2 ropes, both quite taut. Some friction knots on top so I could tighten them. And then try to mitigate the sliding. We've pounded 1 nail in here. Should be enough because most of the force is in these ropes. And this isn't going to be like walked on every day, you know, it just hangs here, so it was a little crooked. This is actually really heavy, probably because I stuck it off past the end there a little. Almost hits the solar panels. Very excited. One hand. So I think that's good enough for now. There's definitely still improvements I want to do, but the sun grows low. Over here we have a, that's a 3, yeah, 3x force multiplier right here. And I can pull it up now with just one hand standing, which is way better than how it used to be. If you remember, I used to basically have to sit on the whole thing, and that was a 4-to-1. So that was like a lot of weight. And this one just one hand, way easier. Give it some wraps, as good as can go. See if this one lasts. One annoying thing is the ropes are kind of in the walkway there. And what I really need is a T-bar, put at the end right here. So form kind of like a box you could walk through. And then I could hook the ropes to the railing, but yeah. Hope this was interesting. I have a lot of ideas to get this even higher, but we'll work with it.